Hello. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I see you are highly appreciated. So guys, today I decided to do a vlog, like more like a spend the weekend with me vlog. I will be at church, so it's a spend a weekend with me at church, period. I hope you guys will love that content. For now, here I'm sweating. The sun is extremely hot. I've been like ironing things that I will need for the weekend at church. So today it's the Saturday, the 11th of December. So yeah, there are a lot of things that are going to happen at church. There is a overnight service, and then tomorrow we have a little event in the morning that we usually do every year in December, which is for Inkosazana. For those who know what is Inkosazana, I don't know how to explain it. It's a spirit that we believe in that is like in charge of the nature. We can say Mother Nature. I don't know, maybe I could be wrong, but it's how I think it's better to explain it. So you will see everything from today. I will show you when I get to church just to see kunjani esontweni lami. Of course, ngisonta eChibini, Father Madwe St. John's Apostolic Church of Africa. Yeah, so right now I'm doing my ironing and I'm almost done. That is my head wrap, my white head wrap. Like I've already like done with ironing some other stuff. As you see, that is my pinifa, and that one, like I'm done and ironing like the rest of the stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys just when I'm done bathing, and ready to go. I will tell you when I'm leaving from home, and then I will tell you when I'm at church, and then you'll get to see all the activities that we do. Yeah, that is all. I just wanted to like introduce the vlog. The lighting is very bad. Yeah, it's better this side. I just wanted to introduce the vlog so that you know what you are saying when you say it. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this type of content, and you will tell me if you would love me to do like more content of when I'm at church. Yeah, so please guys follow me on my social media platforms, both on TikTok and Instagram. It's still Sileceli. And please subscribe to my channel. It's just we are just 4 subscribers away from 100 subscribers. I know Guti, you guys can do better than that. We can just hit hundreds and go upward. I will really appreciate that. Subscribing is absolutely for free. You just press the red button that's written subscribe. It turns to gray, and then you tap the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post. We'll talk soon. Hey y'all. Okay. Hey y'all. Now I'm done getting ready. I'm going. This is the vibe. So I'm wearing the cap because the sun is extremely hot, and I don't wanna carry like an umbrella because gizoichinga. I know. So yeah, we'll talk mangifika esontweni and show you ukuthi indawo enjani. Yeah, we'll talk soon. Hey guys, so today is the event that I told you about yesterday. So I couldn't vlog yesterday night because it was very busy. So I'm just gonna show you a snippet of what is happening today in terms of the activities that we do out here and stuff.